What if I told you there's a planet out there with rings 200 times bigger than Saturn's, or a world so dark it absorbs 99% of all light hitting it? Welcome to the Cosmic Freak Show, where planets break every rule we thought we knew. In 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope just discovered planets that shouldn't exist. Worlds orbiting dead stars, planets with misaligned orbits, and mysteries that have astronomers scratching their heads. Get ready for the 10 strangest planets ever found. Number 10. Meet J1407-b, located 400 light-years away. This planet doesn't just have rings. It has a ring system so massive that if Saturn had rings this big, they would dominate Earth's entire night sky. Scientists are completely baffled by how J1407-b managed to acquire rings 200 times larger than Saturn's. These rings stretch out for tens of millions of kilometers. That's like having rings that could swallow multiple planets whole. Imagine looking up at night and seeing rings stretching from horizon to horizon, glowing like a cosmic highway across the sky. That's what Earth would look like if we had J1407b's ring system. Our moon would look tiny in comparison. Number 9. HD 106906b, the loneliest planet in the universe. This super Jupiter is 11 times bigger than Jupiter and orbits its star at a mind-blowing distance 20 times greater than Neptune's orbit from our Sun. That's about 60 billion miles from its parent star. HD 106906b is so isolated that if you stood on its surface, its sun would look like just another star in the sky. Talk about social distancing on a cosmic scale. Number 8. JWST, the darkest planet known to exist. Over 750 light-years away, this menacing world reflects less than 1% of light that hits it. That's darker than coal or black acrylic paint. What little light JWST doesn't absorb causes it to glow faintly red, like a burning ember floating in space. Scientists think light-absorbing gases create this effect, but the truth is, we don't fully understand why it's so impossibly dark. Number 7. Now here's something that'll blow your mind. 55 Cancri E is literally a planet made of diamond. This sparkling world is twice Earth's size and worth an incomprehensible $26.9 nonillion. That's 384 quintillion times Earth's entire GDP. But before you pack your space drill, remember it's 40 light-years away. Plus, bringing back that much diamond would crash the market so badly. Diamonds would be worthless. 55 Cancri E, formed from carbon under extreme pressure and heat from its star, compressing into the largest uncut diamond in the universe. Imagine a disco ball the size of a planet. That's what we're talking about here. Number 6. Gliese 436b defies everything you learned in chemistry class. It's a planet of burning ice. Yes, you heard that right. Ice that's constantly on fire at 439 degrees Celsius. How is this possible? The planet's gravity is so incredibly strong that it compresses the water molecules into solid ice, preventing them from evaporating no matter how hot they get. It's like nature's ultimate magic trick. Imagine standing on Gliese 436b. You'd see flames dancing across glaciers that never melt, ice that burns but never turns to steam. Physics textbooks would spontaneously combust, trying to explain this cosmic contradiction. Number 5. WASP-12b is living a cosmic horror story. It's being slowly eaten alive by its own star. This poor planet orbits so close that it's being stretched into an egg shape by gravity. Every single second, WASP-12b loses 6 billion metric tons of mass. That's like losing the weight of Mount Everest every few seconds. At this rate, the planet will be completely devoured in just 10 million years. The gravitational torture has distorted WASP-12b so badly it's no longer round. It looks more like a cosmic egg being scrambled by its hungry star. Talk about the ultimate bad neighbor. Number 4. Gliese 581c might be home to aliens, but it's nothing like Earth. This planet is tidally locked. One side always faces its red dwarf star, while the other side is frozen in eternal darkness. The only place you could survive is in a narrow twilight strip between the burning day side and the frozen night side. Step too far left, you're toast. Step too far right, you're a popsicle. Under Gliese 581c's blood-red sky, any plants would be jet black instead of green, using infrared light for photosynthesis. In 2008, we sent a message to this world. It arrives in 2029. Number 3. WSP-17b breaks the laws of planetary physics. It's so large it shouldn't exist. At one point, 9 times Jupiter's size, it's the biggest planet ever found. Yet it's surprisingly lightweight. Scientists call WSP-17b a puffy planet. Yes, that's the actual scientific term. But here's the weird part. It orbits backwards compared to its star's rotation. It's like a cosmic rebel, breaking all the rules. Number 2. HD 188753 lives in the most bizarre solar system imaginable. It has not 1, not 2, but 3 suns, located 151 light-years away. This planet experiences the ultimate light show every single day. Imagine having 3 shadows, watching triple sunrises and sunsets, and experiencing solar eclipses practically every day. No matter which direction you face, there's always a sunset happening somewhere. Number 1. The newest discovery that's rewriting astronomy textbooks. 14. Herculis C. The James Webb Space Telescope just revealed this frozen giant in 2025, and it's breaking every rule we thought we knew. 14 Herculis C is one of the coldest exoplanets ever imaged at -3 degrees Celsius. But here's the mind-blowing part. It orbits in a completely misaligned system where planets cross each other like an X. The 2 planets in this system don't orbit on the same plane like our solar system. Instead, they're tilted at a 40-degree angle, creating a cosmic intersection that astronomers call abnormal, chaotic, and strange. But wait, there's more. The James Webb Telescope also discovered mysterious little red dots, tiny galaxies from the universe's infancy that somehow contain supermassive black holes. How is that even possible? These little red dots existed just 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang, yet they're packed with black holes that shouldn't have had time to grow so massive. It's like finding a full-grown tree in a seedling nursery. Another Webb discovery, K218b, a Hycean world with a hydrogen atmosphere and possibly liquid water oceans. This sub-Neptune-sized planet has methane and carbon dioxide, potential signs of habitability. And get this, WD 1856 plus 534b is a giant planet orbiting a dead star. It's the coldest exoplanet ever found, surviving around a white dwarf, the corpse of a sun-like star. This zombie solar system proves planets can survive their star's death. WD 1856 plus 534b completes an orbit every 1.4 days around stellar remains. It's like a cosmic ghost story with a happy ending. The Webb telescope also caught HD 189773b in action, a beautiful blue world where it rains glass sideways at 4,000 miles per hour. Those pretty blue skies, they're made of silicon particles that turn into flying death shards. GJ1214b takes water worlds to the extreme. It's entirely ocean with no land whatsoever. But this isn't your typical beach vacation spot. The ocean goes down for miles until it hits a core of exotic Ice 7. Ice 7 forms under such extreme pressure that it stays solid even at scorching temperatures. On GJ1214b, you'd see endless ocean in every direction, with crushing depths, hiding impossible ice at the planet's heart. The James Webb Telescope has revealed HR 8799's 4 giant planets contain way more heavy elements than expected. These worlds formed differently than our solar system's planets, built from the bottom up piece by piece. Webb is also hunting for planets around white dwarfs, dead stars that might still harbor habitable worlds. Imagine alien civilizations surviving their sun's death, adapting to life around a stellar corpse. Speaking of weird orbits, some planets have been found doing the cosmic equivalent of skateboard tricks, rolling sideways, spinning backwards, and even jumping between different orbital paths. The pool noodle galaxies Webb discovered are another mystery. In the early universe, 50 to 80% of galaxies were flat like surfboards instead of round? Why were ancient galaxies shaped so differently? These strange shapes might be baby galaxies that hadn't yet grown into the spiral and elliptical forms we see today. It's like catching the universe in its awkward teenage phase. Webb also spotted Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole at our galaxy's center, throwing cosmic tantrums. This monster flares up constantly, shooting out bursts of energy in an endless light show. Kepler 438b holds the record for being the most Earth-like planet ever found, with a similarity index of 0.88. It's rocky in the habitable zone and might have liquid water. Could this be humanity's future home? But Kepler 438b is 470 light-years away, so don't pack your bags just yet. At our current technology, it would take millions of years to get there. Better work on that warp drive. The James Webb Telescope keeps finding things that shouldn't exist according to our theories. Massive galaxies too early in time, black holes too big for their age, and chemical compositions that defy explanation. Some planets Webb has studied have atmospheres containing molecules we've never seen before. These alien chemistry sets are rewriting our understanding of what worlds can be made of. The universe keeps surprising us with planets that mock our textbooks, ice that burns, diamonds in space, worlds with triple sunsets, and planets that survive stellar death. What impossible world will we discover next? These discoveries prove the universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. Every new planet found by telescopes like James Webb expands our cosmic perspective and humbles our assumptions. From burning ice to diamond worlds, from triple star systems to planets orbiting corpses, space is basically showing off at this point, and we're just getting started with our exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope has only been operating since 2022, and it's already revolutionized our understanding of planets. Imagine what mysteries we'll uncover in the next decade. Scientists estimate there are more planets than stars in our galaxy. That's over 100 billion worlds in the Milky Way alone. How many of them break the rules of physics as we know them? Each strange planet we discover is like a piece of a cosmic puzzle, showing us that the universe's creativity has no limits. Reality is stranger than any science fiction writer could imagine. Want to explore more mind-blowing space discoveries? Let us know in the comments which strange planet amazed you the most. And hey, if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, that subscribe button is looking pretty stellar. Remember, somewhere out there in the vast cosmos, there's probably a planet even weirder than anything we've discovered yet. The universe is full of surprises, and we're just getting started exploring them. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and wondering, because in a universe with burning ice and diamond planets, absolutely anything is possible. Thanks for joining our journey through space's strangest worlds. And remember, every time you see a star in the night sky, there might be impossible worlds orbiting it, defying physics and expanding our cosmic imagination. The universe is truly the ultimate artist.